Hi guys, Derek from Live to Play Sports here. Super excited to show you the new Trigger AM helmet from IXS Sports. This replaces the RS Evo helmet, which I've been running for the past couple of years. Awesome lid. I'm really excited to show you all the new features of this one though. Box looks about the same. Again, IXS are really big onto their recycled materials, so the box is fully recycled. They use environmentally friendly inks. Really cool new colorway this year, I'm stoked on that. Way bigger vents on the front. So you compare that to the old RS Evo, the vents are considerably larger. Next thing you notice, goggle compatibility. That visor goes way out of the way so you can run goggles on top of your helmet when they're not in front of your eyes. Yeah, really easy to store your goggles on this helmet. New buckle's pretty cool as well. So they've gone magnetic this year, really easy to use one-handed. Just clips right into place there with a magnetic strap, but it's still super secure. And then the new retention system for the back of your head has some extra padding. They call this ErgoFit Ultra. So that's going to be really comfy. So that's the new Trigger AM helmet from IXS. Super excited to put this thing on, go out for a ride. And thanks for watching. It's been Derek with Live to Play Sports, connecting people with cycling.